Hello students, welcome to the YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. This is Salba ma'am and today I am going to teach class 10th chemistry and the topic is acid, bases and salt. Okay students, from the chapter acid, bases and salt, today we will study about salt. What are salt? Salt is an ionic compound formed by neutralization reaction. I have already told you the neutralization reaction. With the help of this neutralization reaction, when acid react with base, salt is formed and water is formed. So this is the salt which is formed. Chemicals from common salts. Now I will tell you the chemicals which are formed from the common salts which we use, right? Now first is sodium hydroxide. What is sodium hydroxide? NaOH, and we also called it as caustic soda, right? So this is caustic soda. And how it is prepared? When electricity is passed through the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, that is NaCl, it decomposes to form NaOH. When we take a solution of NaCl means NaCl is present and water is present. When electricity is passed through this solution, what happens? Na breaks and Na and Cl break down and Na comes with the OH of the water and NaOH is formed. This chlorine ion is formed and water is formed, hydrogen is formed, right? What are the uses of this sodium hydroxide? The uses are, it is used to make soap and detergents. I have already told you NaOH is used to make soap and detergents. Then also it is used in paper manufacturing and it is also used in oil refining, right? Now next chemical which we will study is the bleaching powder. Bleaching powder, how it is produced? It is produced by the action of chlorine on dry slaked lime. Slaked lime, that is CaOH whole twice, which you have already studied. Lime water, when it is dry, it is called slaked lime. And this slaked lime, when combined with chlorine gas, it gives CaOCl2 plus H2O, which is a bleaching powder, right? What are the uses of bleaching powder? You all must be using bleaching powder in your homes, right? It is used in bleaching cotton and linen. If we want to bleach the color of some cotton or linen cloth, we use bleaching powder, right? Now bleaching powder, this bleaching wood pulp in paper factory. It is used in bleaching the wood pulp in paper factory. We get white paper. How do we get white paper? By bleaching with the wood pulp. So we use this bleaching powder. Next is oxidizing agent in chemical industry. It is a very good oxidizing agent, so it is used in chemical industry. And the next is disinfecting drinking water. And this bleaching powder is also used in disinfecting the drinking water. If the drinking water is not pure, we can use this bleaching powder, right? Now next chemical is baking soda. The formula of baking soda is NaHCO3. Now you remember this NaHCO3, this is what? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. I have already taught you about this NaHCO3, right? Now NaCl, how do we make this NaHCO3, that is baking soda? Well, NaCl plus water plus carbon dioxide plus ammonia. If we take this, what forms? NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride, and NaHCO3, that is the baking soda. It is a very mild base and it is non-corrosive. Now comes the uses of baking soda. It is an ingredient of antacid. It is also used as an antacid. Then it is also used in fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers, which you know, in the fire extinguishers this baking soda is used, and also this baking soda is used in making baking powder. What is baking powder? Baking powder is something we use to bake cake and breads, okay, to make it soft and spongy, right? Now baking powder, how it is formed? This baking soda, when it is mixed with tartaric acid, baking powder is formed. And this baking powder is used in breads, in cakes, to make it spongy and soft. Now next chemical is washing soda. Baking soda you have already studied. Now comes the washing soda. What is washing soda? Sodium carbonate plus 10H2O, Na2CO3.10H2O. This is formed by recrystallization of Na2CO3. What is this? This is sodium carbonate, and when recrystallization occurs, 10 10 molecules of water is combined to it chemically. That is called recrystallization. When sodium carbonate combined with water, then 10 molecules of water combined with it chemically and forms this washing soda, right? What are its uses? It is used in the manufacture of borax. It is a chemical, borax, which it is used in this manufacture. Then it is a cleaning agent, washing soda. Already know with the name washing soda, that is, it is a cleaning agent. It removes hardness of water, right? Sometimes water is hard in the sense it has lots of salt dissolved in it. So it removes, it helps in removing the hardness of water, and it is used in glass, soap and paper industry also. Now next chemical is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris you also called as POP, right? Plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate dot half H2O. That is, half molecule of water is combined with calcium sulfate chemically. And when it is heated, what is formed? CaSO4 dot 2H2O at 100 degree. It loses water and becomes POP. Okay. When it is heated, when gypsum is heated, that is CaSO4 dot 2H2O, it forms plaster of Paris. Now, CaSO4 dot half H2O plus 1.5 H2O give gypsum. When we combine POP plus 1.5 water molecule, it forms gypsum. It changes to gypsum when water is added, right? When in the plaster of Paris, when we add water, it forms gypsum. Now I will tell you the uses. It is used to support fractured bones by doctors, right? Doctors use it to support the fractured bones. In the plasters, you have already seen when some bone is broken of hand or foot. So doctor gives you a plaster, and this plaster is made up of plaster of Paris. Then for making toys and decorating materials, many toys are made up of plaster of Paris, and decorating materials, we decorate our houses also with this plaster of Paris. In the ceiling, we make different designs which is made by this plaster of Paris. And for making surface smooth, if we want to make something smooth, we apply a plaster of Paris. It makes the surface smooth, right? Thank you students for watching this video. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.